Over the years, I've seen thousands of people walk through the doors of my courtroom. Each case a story. Some are simple, a parking ticket, a speeding fine. Others, well, they stay with you. I remember one case in particular. A man named John stood before me. He was an older gentleman, looked tired, worn down not just from life, but from something heavier. He had been caught speeding minus 40 in a 25. Now, usually that's an open and shut case. The law is the law. But something about John made me pause. I asked him, "John, why were you speeding?" He took a deep breath. His voice was quiet but steady. He said, "Your Honor, I was rushing my son to the hospital. He has cancer. He was in pain, and I just needed to get him there." Now, let me tell you something. In that moment, there wasn't a single person in that courtroom who didn't feel what that man was going through. I looked at John, and I saw more than a defendant. I saw a father. A father doing what any of us would do, protecting his child, fighting for him the only way he knew how. So I closed the case file. I looked at him and I said, "John, your fine is dismissed." Because let's be honest, some things are bigger than a traffic ticket. Some things go beyond the law. And if being a judge has taught me anything, it's this: justice isn't just about punishment. It's about understanding, about looking beyond the black and white of a rule and seeing the human being standing in front of you. John thanked me that day, but truth be told, I was the one who left the courtroom grateful, because he reminded me of something important. At the end of the day, it's not about how many cases we judge, it's about how many people we choose to see. And that's what truly matters.